Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how to use the Pythagorean Theorem to find the distance between 2 points. So if you take a look, you'll notice they've given us a line between 2 points, and they want us to find how long it is, or the distance between them. Well, if it were a perfectly straight line, we could just count how long it is, how many boxes, but this one is kind of slanted. So I want you to watch this. We're actually going to use what we learned about the Pythagorean Theorem. So I'm going to say that this is a leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units long. And this leg is 1 unit long. So now we can say that this is our A and our B, and we can plug it into our Pythagorean theorem and find C. And actually, we're going to be finding C for all of these today. So let's write our formula. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We said A is 10. We said B is 1. And we're going to look for C. So make sure you have your calculator out ready to complete these calculations. So 10 squared is 100. 1 squared is 1. Those are on the same side. I'm looking for C, so I'm going to add. 101 equals C squared. Our last step is always to take that square root. And the square root of 101 is about 10. So for this, we're going to round all of these to the nearest whole number. So the side length, or the distance between those 2 points, is about 10 units. So let's try this a few more times. Take a look at number 2. On your sheet, I just want you to do a sketch of the line, and then I want you to sketch the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that leg is 5 units long. This leg is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units long. And see, I know this is a right triangle because of this box here. And I'm looking for C. Our slanted line is always going to be our C. So I'm going to say 5 is A, 7 is B. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Well, I said 5 was A, so 5 squared. 7 I said is B, 7 squared equals C squared. So I've got 25 plus 49 equals C squared. Let's add those two numbers together to get 74 equals C squared, and then take our square root. So C equals about 9. If I round that to the nearest whole number, I'm going to get about 9. So the distance between those 2 points is about 9 units. Let's keep going. We'll do several more. Take a look at our third example. So I want you to draw your line. We're going to find the distance between those 2 points, or how long it is. And it doesn't matter, guys, which direction you draw your triangle. So this leg is 1 unit long. See that? 1. This leg is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units long. And we're looking for C. So I'm going to say A is 1 and B is 6. So write your formula. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A is 1 squared. B is 6 squared equals C squared. So I've got 1 times 1 is 1, 6 times 6 is 36, equals C squared. Add those, 37 equals C squared, and take the square root of both sides. So your square root of 37 is going to be about 6. So the distance between those 2 points is about 6 units. Let me show you one more example. Take a look at number 4. What do you notice about that line? Did you notice it's not slanted? So if you have a perfectly straight line, like on the edge of the boxes, Guys, you don't even need the Pythagorean theorem. You just count the boxes. Start at one point, go to the next. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the distance between those two is 4 units or 4 blocks. So take your time, use your notes to help you complete your practice, and I'll talk to you guys soon.